Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing just great. So this is a little bit of an update of what's been going on with the Polycaster? I don't know what you want to call it. So, I beveled the edges. I still have to do some touch up and final sanding as far as getting everything even or close to even. Nice sharp edges. Controls are put in as far as drilling goes, bridge, tailpiece, neck mount. The other side, got some real sharp edges over here. I'm probably going to knock that down a little bit just to round it off a little bit more. Control cavity is cut. What I need to do now is to taper this down a little bit with the other template and make a cover that'll fit that. Don't know if I'm going to do one out of wood or if I'm going to do plastic. Give it a finish sanding before doing some type of a finish, and I don't know if I'm going to color it. I don't know if I'm going to dye the wood yet. This is staying the way it is, but I can dye this in any color that I want. And this bevel I want to have darker. I got it going all the way around basically to this other piece of wood right here. Tapers down, gets bigger and bigger and bigger as it gets around the sides. Same with this side. The only thing that's a pain in the ass with this center board is it wants to, when you sand close to it, it wants to kind of change the color of the wood. So yeah, she's nice and smooth right now, but I'm going to get some more sanding time in on it, make sure everything is nice and smooth and there's no bad end grain that the paint is going to just get sucked up and then raise the grain a little bit. So right now all the sides have been sanded, but only with 220. I think I'm going to go up to 400 with it before I put a finish on it. This way I can get rid of all the 220 sanding scratches and they won't show up. If I put the dye on there, you'll see like sanding scratches and stuff like that, so I don't want that. Alright guys, take it easy, have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody if I don't talk to you guys, before then. Catch you later.